Hi, and welcome back to the Skull Survivor devlog. We are going to fix a problem right now that exists within the uh, EXP pickup work that we'd been doing before. So yeah, we'll do a little bit of ChatGPT this round, and then we'll see where it goes from there. So real quick, I just want to show you the problem, and then we can go from there. So I'm jumping into the game right now. And if you remember from one of our previous videos, the thing that we changed was being able to collect these little EXP pickups. They should be from farther away. Oh, I'm gonna die if I get to show you the problem. So, oh, I guess I gotta start over now. Losing at your own game in the middle of a recording. It's fun. All right, let's try that again. So they don't float all the way to you, and instead they kind of sit there. Except I noticed not too long ago that unfortunately some of them start flying to me once I reach a certain milestone. And that is the amount of these that are created from our pool. So you'll notice, yeah, you can see them now. Some of them are just flying from far away for no reason. Like that one. They should have been, so they're just kind of flying in for free. And the reason that's happening is because the pooling system is not resetting the value once it comes off of the pool. And that's just because we never reset it on the on enable, but we want a unit test in there to make sure that this problem doesn't happen. So we'll go from there. So let's get out of maximize mode. Go back into the code here. Here's our EXP pickup. And so one thing I'm going to do is jump back into ChatGPT and say, write a unit test proving the EXP pickup does not let's see, it would have to go into the collider and then come back out. I don't want to expose the public version of player, but player needs to be null after a collision happens and then on enable happens. So maybe we can't avoid it. So yeah, we'll see. Write a unit test proving EXP pickup clears the player target after on enable is called, since this would only happen after the pooling system only happen after a new one is spawned from the pool. The player needs to be reset in this case. Simulate the trigger event is not null. Player on enable. Player is null. Hey, I kind of like that. So let's just jump in here. We'll throw that test in there. Of course, let's see the path. We want the prefab path there. And that's the question is, are we going to use the player yet? And right now it's private. I don't really have a good other way of doing this except for making it a public property. But I'm just going to make it public for now. And we're going to go back over here, and that test looks good. So we're going to run that test and see what it looks like. And of course, it'll say, hey, that test is not passing. And it's because it is not null. So now we can kind of just do as it says and say player equals null on the on enable. That should give us a passing test. Yep. And then we're going to go ahead and run it. Oh, sorry for the audio. We're going to go back. Let's maybe make this audio less. And then we're going to go into the game. And now what we'll see is piles of these things kind of just flying on the ground here. So I'm going to pick up a few of them. They keep running at me. Be sure to like, subscribe, buy the game when it comes out, you know, all that stuff. And yeah, let's see. So, now you can kind of see we're not getting this like automatic pull-in. You'll notice that the gold does that, but I think that's because the collection radius is larger for the gold. Other than that, looks like our problem's fixed. So thank you very much. See y'all next time.